What's up guys, my name's Vasu. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your Proxmox cluster once the install is finished. This is code Unbound. We'll be using this spare Dell laptop. Proxmox is the perfect foundation here. It turns this legacy hardware into a high performance node. I've already joined it to my home lab cluster. So let's dive in and get it production ready. Starting on my Arch workstation, I'm gonna jump into the Proxmox UI. You'll notice the standard subscription nag. We are about to fix that. Instead of configuring this Proxmox instance manually, we are going to use Proxmox helper script. But as a rule, always scrim the source code before running the remote scripts in your shell. After a reboot, the nag is gone. Now, we'll use Kitty to SSH in, resize the LVM volume to reclaim our local storage. Finally, we'll bridge the gap to TrueNAS by mounting our SMB share. Now, our node has room to grow. With this, our foundation is complete. And as always, here's the obligatory new fetch. Stay technical, I'll see you in the next one.